Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later.
The vine is a move more often seen executed by freestyle skaters. That is, the skates of a freestyle skater look an awful lot like hockey skates. It's a great move for hockey skaters too. Figure skaters, you can try it, you can use it, but it's a two-footed move, and two-footed moves are frowned on in figure skating competition. It's why it's a lesser seen move in figure skating. So let's crack on at how we're going to start this move. Initially, we're going to be skating in forwards and opening the feet into a spread eagle moment. As soon as we've opened those feet, we're going to close them and cross them. Let's repeat that set of movements one more time so that we can see it in a more fluid way. Always 2 feet on the ice at each and every moment throughout this series. So we're starting from 2 feet, open sesame, turning both to backwards and crossing. Now we have to uncross those feet. Now in that moment, we're going to have a moment where our feet are going to be able to do the reverse of a spread eagle. That is turned in toes and traveling around. Okay, so if I've been crossed here, I'm going to uncross and I'm going to make this foot follow to get me round. Now, technically what's happened there is my left foot has turned a 3-turn from here, cross, undo, backwards 3-turn to follow. And now we're going to use that foot to continue and cross in front. Then we can open sesame, spread eagle, cross, uncross, back 3, crossing in front again, uncrossing, and finishing our series.
This move is both a freestyle dancing step that can be skated in the middle of an ice disco and also a great drill for improving our joint mobility. The smooth and constant turning in and out of our feet and legs, as well as the rotation of the upper body in the opposite directions, really makes this a challenge.